talking this whole time and the mic hasn't been working. I'll be a little upset if that's the case. Sorry about that. Another technical issue on that. Dang it. Oh, man. Okay, let me just run through it real quick as I got some time. I got a message saying my audio worked, so I'm hoping the audio is working. I'm just going to run through it. Apple, I like Apple here about 162, 163 if we get that dip today, but anywhere sub 170 can be bought. That's what I said. Dang it, I hope my audio was working. But if it's not, I'm going to run through it. Tesla, if Tesla can get down to 217, 216, we want to be a buyer there. Okay, because I'm running out of time. We have Amazon. If Amazon get to 166, that's what we like. We want it. The QQQ, again, it can run down as much as about 384 today. I like that for a buy, but 400 is a key level of support for it today. I'd be a buyer around 396, 398 on a Pierce. And then if I talk about the SPY, let's talk about the SPY. Talk about the SPY one more time. I know it's really busy of a chart. Let me get rid of all of that. Okay, I have a level on the SPY a little bit lower. It has to hold this line here, which is about 482. Okay, so about 482 needs to hold that. This level could be bought again. It can get as low as this, so I like it down here. Right in this range here, I like the SPY, but you got to look out below. It can get down as low on a tank to 430, 420. Hopefully I can fix all the technical issues tomorrow, and apologize for that. So I'm going to end the stream. Now you can hear me? Yeah, sorry about that. So I've been streaming this whole time with no audio. So thank you for letting me know. Damn it. Let me go back real quick. So we talked Apple. So my number one trade today is Apple. That's what I'll be watching today. Ideally 165. But we'll watch how it gets into it. That's a level that could be bought. My yellow line for today is this 163. You get into this box here. This is where you can swing trade this stock. You know, you can look to swing trade it here in this box. I mean, we are down some 30, 35, 36%. So, you know, you're getting a big mega company for cheap down here. So I like it there. Tesla, I'm in it pre-market. I haven't given it out to the members yet because I just took it myself. But if we could get up here, that'd be great to, you know, the Tesla's starting to get a bounce, excuse me. Ideally, you can get a dip to 216. If you get that dip to 216, that's a buy down there. Amazon, trying to catch a bounce, but I'm going to look to buy Amazon. And what I went over, I said, yesterday I took Amazon as a trade. I had to take a technical loss. I bought it at about 183 and some change. And when it dipped, I was going to add, but then it bounced before I got to fill it. But I took a technical loss. I think I lost 10 cents, 20 cents, something silly like that. But I said it was a good idea to get out because I'm not in love with any position because guess what? It just rolled off and sold off. And I don't want to hold anything. I can just buy it the next day lower. I can get it at another level. I talked about the SPY. I talked about how members pointed out the SPY. We looked at it today. We made money on it going up. We made money on it going down. Okay, so let me clear up all this gibberish on the chart. We took this trade yesterday. I called this trade out on the SPY that if we broke out here, it could keep running. But once it stopped, you know, a member pointed out, hey, this could be a short in the SPY. I looked at it and I said, yes, this is definitely a short. I said I would trade it to about 420 break. However, from 420, once it broke 420, man, did it go all the way down. Some members held all the way down and made a killing. We're talking 10,000. I think it was their first $10,000 trade ever. You know, so mega win, mega trade. Okay, we got the QQQ. I'm liking the Qs as well. I got some levels on the Qs to watch. We want to see a break of 400 today. If we get a break of 400, that's a good level to buy. Should hold, but we're right here into the, what's crazy is we're into a load of support down here. So I just in general like the Qs right here. In general, I like the SPY, the SPY where it's at right here because it's just in general support here. This is just a big pullback and a big level to support. But in this range here, this bottom range, 400 to 385, That's the no-brainer level. So you break 400, you should look into here. We can get to probably about 392 to 388, but right in here is where I like it. This is the wheelhouse for me on the QQQ, and the SPY is definitely also in the wheelhouse on the daily too. Big pullbacks, big pullbacks. Never chase a trade. Why? Because I tell members all the time, you will get another entry. They will bring it back down. They cannot help themselves but bring it down and whip it around. So we're in a bear market with a little bit of a kangaroo market. We go up, we go down, we go up, we go down. We just hopping around. We are just hopping around. But we're going to print, and we're going to print money in this market today. So I'll see you on the charts. Link in the Discord. Sorry about the audio delay. I see what the issue was. Something was muted for some stupid reason. But I'll see you on the charts. Come join us. Link in the description. Link in the description. Let me show up the Discord again, though, because I gave somebody a shout out. A quick question. I want to show out a real thing, real trader, real person, pointed out. Paid my monthly subscription, just renewed, got me thinking. In 3 months into this journey with Ace and me, and it's already one of the best investments I've ever made. And then we got to shout out the winning trades, and I talked about this earlier. You can